All right, everybody, welcome back to Grandpa's Garage. Well, I've got the little stand welded up here. Just going to get ready to mount up the electric winch. Still got a little more welding to do, and that one piece I cannot weld on because it's got to fit down over top of the boom. So it's going to sit on here like this. Come on now. There we go. Okay, then I'm going to put this down over top. And I do have this marked. It's going to sit right there and there. So what I got going on, I'm just going to weld that on there. This is all going to be painted a little bit better than, just rust. But this cable, which is right now it's handheld, I'm going to run that along inside the box, take this switch apart so that I can operate it with a lever so it looks like it's an actual old tow truck winch. I don't know. I'm going to give her a go and see how it works. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.